Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a simple but beautiful cut crease using the Naked Wild West palette by Urban Decay. So I'm starting off with the shade Nudie, and I'm putting this in my crease, of course, going back and forth. This is always my first step. This is just how I do my eyeshadow, and yeah, I'm just going back and forth. This isn't supposed to be perfect, so just know that. And then I'm going into this beautiful like brown orange. It's so pretty. It's called Ghost Town, and at the time I didn't know I was doing a cut crease, so I put this in my outer V instead of like just my crease. But then I was like, you know what, let's do a little cut crease. I'm still practicing my cut creases, so this isn't perfect, but I'm getting better, so that's all that matters, right? Now I'm using this little Eco Tools brush, taking that same shade Ghost Town and just carving out or mapping out that cut crease. I'm just gonna let you guys know it's gonna look a little messy because, like I said, I'm still practicing, but trust the process. Obviously, you guys have seen what this eyeshadow looks like in the end, so you know it looks good, but just trust the process. And yeah. Now I'm going into the shade Whiskey, and I'm picking it up with that same Eco Tools Dome brush, and again, mapping out the cut crease. This is just going to deepen up the look a little bit, and of course, throughout this process, you have to blend out the eyeshadow. I promise it will just make your eyeshadow look 10 times better. Just keep blending. In my opinion, you can never blend too much. So this eye is struggling a little bit, but in the end, I actually like this eye better than my other eye. Just, quick little info insider scoop. Now I'm going in with concealer. I'm using my Too Faced concealer. This is my favorite, and this is the hard part. So now I am actually carving out that cut crease. If you have hooded eyes, this is very difficult. For me, it was hard, guys. So I put on concealer on my lid, and then I lightly started just carving out the end. You don't want to be too rough with this because then you're gonna cause like wrinkles, and it's not gonna turn out the way you want it to. So just go very lightly. I put like a lot of concealer on the edge of my brush and kind of just dabbed it, and that's, what I did, and it worked for me. I ended up setting my lid with the shade Standoff. This is the lightest shade in the palette. I don't know what happened to the clips, but they're gone. Then I took the shade Tex, which is that beautiful teal, so pretty, and I just did a winged eyeliner. It's actually really easy when you have a cut crease because you can just follow the line of your crease and then, call it a day. It took me some time, I'm not gonna lie, but it was rather easy. So now I'm just concealing my under eyes with that same Too Faced concealer, and then I'm setting my under eyes with the DERMABLEND powder. I was going to do like a shimmery lid, but I thought it would just be pretty with like a blank lid space. I don't know what do you guys think? Put on some false lashes, and then boom, the look is complete. Again, I know this isn't perfect, but I'm getting there, and I just love the way this look turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.